Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you guys trying to find where the automatic transmission fuses relays are located on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. We'll talk about that. After that, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out, all this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the automatic transmission guys, with fuses and relays, we need to check them to show you guys now on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. Here you have two different types of fuse boxes depending on the year and model guys, but we'll explain about each one of those. We need to open the hood on that Jeep Grand Cherokee, and when you do that, you face the engine. On the left side is the main engine fuse box. Open that cover. Underneath you'll find a fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 to your 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and this is 2011 to 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Before we continue guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. So guys, here we're going to zoom in now. We will explain about 2011 to 2013 model first, and here what we need to check first, we need to start with fuse number M28, which is this fuse right here. Very important fuse that we need to check. Then we need to locate fuse number M33, which is this 10 amp fuse right here. We are not done guys. Okay, we need to check fuse number J18 right here. And then you need to locate fuse number J11, which is right here. Also, you need to check relay K5 right there. For 2014, okay, 2014 to 2022 model here, we need to guys check more fuses. Where? Okay, we're talking about fuse number 60 now. So coming this way, this is 57, 58, 59, 60, fuse number 60 will need to be checked. Some of you may have fuse number 61 as well. If you have it, check it too guys. Next, you need to locate fuse number 32, which is that fuse right here. You need to locate fuse number 72, and 72 guys, okay, will be this fuse right here. We're not done guys, we still need to check fuse number 94, and fuse number 94, okay, coming here, that's okay, let us show you now. This is 92, 3, 4 right here, 94. And also guys, okay, after that, okay, you may consider guys checking the relays for the engine computer. If you don't know where they're located, check fuses and relays for engine computer if you still have problems with the transmission. Engine computer, ABS, traction control module, the BCM and the transmission control module, all this system works together. When you have problems with your transmission, always check fuses for BCM, for ABS brake module, and engine computer and transmission computer as well. All these fuses will need to be checked. If you need help with the other fuses, we have the videos on the channel. Check them out. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.